I can give you this guarantee. Matanda naman ako, pero I'm not old. Hindi naman ako yung matanda na hindi na nag-iisip. Of course, maybe dementia or Alzheimer, as you grow old, pero hindi pa ako umabot sa level na yan. Dito pa lang ako sa parang binata pa na tumanda na walang problema. But I can assure you, I will be here or there for my country and people. And I will always protect your welfare. Pagka pinasubo nila yan, if I feel that there is oppression or wrongdoing na hindi na maganda, I will speak out rather than allow my country to suffer, because I will never bargain the soul of my country and people. Hindi ko talaga gawin yan. That is my commitment to you. Until death do us part.